Okay, here we go with the installation of the motor gearbox combination in a electric bedroom slide as manufactured by Newmar. This is a 2015 Baystar. So, first step we're going to do is get the trans torque coupling back into here. Then we're going to line the motor up. It slid right in there, which is good. And we got to do a little work on the coupling because it's not catching the thread. So we'll get this back in here. See the thread part. Okay. Now we're hooked up. Back in. The coupling in there. Okay. Put the bolts back in the feet. Don't appear to be lined up very well. Let's take a peek at this. Nope, it's lined up nicely. So, there we go. All right. So now that the bolts are in, it's tight, we can't move. Now we can start to tighten up the good old trans torque bushing. So I've got my torque rod set for 125 foot-pounds. So we're going to start tightening. Get as tight as I can by hand first. So. Okay. It's going to take a few times. Now we're going to have to back up this coupling so the slide doesn't try to turn out. So we're going to use a pipe wrench. I'm going to hold it and continue to tighten. So. Okay. All right. And there's our 125 pounds. Yeah. And attach our wires back to the motor. Black to black. Okay. Yeah. If everything went right, we're going to see the slide move. And we're moving. So that'll complete the installation. All I have to do now is put the floor back in and close her up, and this job will be done. Thanks for watching.